Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit out electrical wires in a photo. So say you've taken a photo of your lounge room or something that's got a lot of wires that are wrecking the shot, and you want to make them kind of tidy up the photo. There are many ways to do that in Photoshop, but I'm just going to show you probably one of the more simple ways of doing it. So here we are. We have a shot of a lot of wires and a lot of mess in someone's house. I'm zooming in. I'm not going to take out all the wires, but I'll show you. Let's say this black one right here. We want to get rid of that and kind of, make it look more realistic. So what we're going to do, I'll show you the first way we can do it. Over here on the left, we're going to click on the clone stamp tool. Basically, we don't want to bring it down, maybe a little bit smaller. Bring it down to about 4 pixels. So with the clone stamp, what you do is you want to click Option just next to the wire that you want to kind of hide. So as you kind of paint over the wire it's taking on, is sampling the area that you out and clicked on. So as we move up here, let's change the spot again. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing the Alt or the Option key, click next to it, and just kind of go nice and slow. Try and keep it as smooth as you can. I mean, obviously, you can spend a lot of time doing this, trying to get it as clean and realistic as possible. There's a lot little bits and pieces here to clean up. You can just spot click them rather than trying to paint and drag over them. Generally, by doing that, you can avoid too much over sampling and making everything look too much the same, which can tend to happen with the clone stamp tool. But as you can see, that's looking not too bad right now. So yeah, that's basically how you go about getting rid of wires in photos using Photoshop.